Good morning, everybody. This is Michael with Rock Outdoors, and this week's gear pick of the week, we have a 2-for-1 combo for you. We've got the Kaku Wahoo. It's a 12.5-foot boat. It's 33 inches wide. It's 76 pounds in weight, and it will carry 450 pounds, so even the bigger guys can get on the water. The next product we have is the Boonedox Landing Gear. It is a track-mounted system that will mount directly to these reinforced gear tracks on the Kaku, which is a big deal. That way, you get on the water quicker by transporting your boat and not dragging it across.